Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are looking to streamline your information and bring all your data, documents, and notes together, Notion has you covered with easy data importing. Today, I will walk you through on how to import data into Notion, a quick guide. Here's how you can import your content into Notion. First, take a moment to gather your data from various sources, whether it's plain text, Markdown, Word documents, CSV files, or HTML files. Open Notion on your desktop or web browser. Unfortunately, data import isn't available on mobile. Locate the import option at the bottom of your left-hand sidebar and give it a click. This will open the import window where you can select your desired source app for migration. Notion supports various apps imports like Confluence, Asana, Evernote, Trello, and more. Choose the app you want to import from and follow the app's specific instructions that appear. And that's it! With a few simple steps, you can centralize your information in Notion, creating a unified and organized workspace. So, go ahead and start importing your data into Notion to enjoy a more streamlined and efficient way of working. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.